Hi and welcome to Spice and Pans. Today we'll be cooking sesame oil minced meat with eggs. So let's start cooking. Now we're going to fry our ginger first. Heat up a pan, add in 2 tablespoons of sesame oil, preferably black sesame seed oil instead of the white one because this can actually use for cooking. It's not that delicate. Also equal part of normal cooking oil. 2 tablespoons also add it in. The reason for doing so is that the sesame oil will not be burnt that easily. Swirl the oil around a little bit, mix them up. Now I'm using medium-low heat, you can do the same. Add in 40 grams of young ginger, julienne finely like this. Spread it across. We don't have to wait until the oil is really hot. Okay, slowly extract out the flavor. We'll fry these until they are slightly golden brown. Spread them around, move them a little bit. Be careful not to burn them. We'll be using this as garnish for our dish later. This will take a while. It is important not to turn the heat way too high, otherwise the ginger will be burnt before the aroma or the flavor will be extracted. Spread them around like this. Get all the maximum flavor out. I'll continue to do this and I'll show you how they look like in a while. I've been frying this for a few minutes, approximately 3 minutes or so. And now you can see that they are slowly turning brown. We'll now remove the ginger from the oil. Right? And then we use the oil to fry our eggs. Using the same oil and using medium heat, we will now fry our eggs. Crack 4 eggs in. Separate the eggs so that it will be easier for us to flip them later. We want the edges to be a little bit crispy so they can absorb the sauce better later. Let them fry for a while until you see all the bubbles, or rather the edge has actually crisped up a little bit, then we'll flip it over. Now we'll flip it over. We need the eggs to be fully cooked. Right, just very simple. Just take it out like this and just turn it over like that. Okay. So we'll do the same for the rest of the eggs. Beautifully brown. This is what we want. Just cook them for about a minute or so on the other side, just to brown them up a little bit. And of course to cook the yolks. Now that they are done, we'll just remove them onto our serving plate first. Now we add in our minced pork, 180 grams of it. Now of course if you don't take pork, you can always switch this to chicken. Mash them up a little bit. I did not season this at all, so you can do the same. You can turn the heat down a little bit if the pan is too hot. If not, use medium heat. When the pork starts to change color like this, we'll add in our garlic. 4 cloves of garlic chopped, put it all in. And a white stem of approximately 4 to 6 spring onion, just put it in. A little bit of white pepper. Mix them up well. We know this is done when there's no longer any redness on the pork and you can smell the beautiful fragrance of the garlic. I can start to smell the beautiful fragrance from the garlic. I'll just fry them for a minute or so more just to get a beautiful light brown on my pork. Remember to keep the heat at medium. This dish is good enough on its own, together with porridge or rice. You don't need any other with this. It comes with gravy, it comes with meat. You have a little bit of a veg, which is the spring onions, and of course we have eggs also. Okay, so something like this will be good. Now we add in our liquid. Add in 150 milliliters of hua tiao jiu, or Chinese cooking wine. 150 milliliters of water. For seasoning, we'll need 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, 1 tablespoon of light soy sauce, a teaspoon of sugar to balance up the taste, as well as a little bit of a dark soy sauce, just to have that beautiful dark hue. I'm using approximately half a tablespoon of dark soy sauce. You let this come to a boil. Once it's boiling, we add back our eggs. Put the lid on and we'll simmer this for 5 minutes. Do not turn down the heat. I'm using medium heat, so please do the same. I'll see you back in a while. 5 minutes is up. Let's have a look. Wow, look at how pretty this is. Now we'll remove the eggs from the gravy. It's going to be so delicious with rice. Give the sauce a finer taste to make sure that it's savory enough for us. Wow, beautiful. Add in the rest of our spring onions. Mix it up a little bit. Thicken it up with some cornstarch solution. You want the sauce to cling onto the eggs. And now to enhance the taste of the sauce, we're going to splash in 2 tablespoons of sesame oil. Oh, this is smelling really, really good. And now all we have to do is just pour this beautiful sauce over our eggs and garnish it with the crispy ginger. And ladies and gentlemen, it's time for our lunch. And now the dish is done, let's have a taste. Wow, smells absolutely delicious. Let's try the egg. Oh, absorb the sauce beautifully with the rice. Oh, you can taste the sesame oil, the ginger, and the eggs. Oh, really, this is really, really good. Goes fantastically well with rice. So ladies and gentlemen, I hope you like our video. Do click like on our video and do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching, and now it's your turn to cook. See you. Bye bye. Wow, 配饭一流. Very, very good.